You know, we demonstrated the fighting cow call and the Lone Ranger, all that stimulating, real loud, high-pitched, aggressive type calling. But let's face it, when you get the bull coming in, maybe the bull of a lifetime, or maybe you even got a bull that's not quite there, maybe a little 5, 4 points, something like that, that needs a little encouragement to come on in. It's not usually the real sharp, aggressive sounds that's going to make that happen. But what will make it happen is the subtle, soft, very congenial type calling that elk do amongst each other, and it's soft like this. Now you can hear that nasal sound, that soft sound. It's not a real high pitch. It's not really loud. It doesn't vibrate in your ear, but boy, does it ever calm the bulls down. And you get that with the Bull Getter. And we've got a new reed in there. And there's one more trick I'll show you, but I don't believe anyone else has this. It is a textured soundboard. And that keeps this mylar reed that we've been talking about, the mylar reed, that keeps that mylar reed from hanging up. And at the same time, it gives it that softness, that confidence call that sometimes the bull needs to come right on in. Now that's the big body, that's the Bull Getter. And we also did one called the Mini Bull Getter. You say, why are you building so many of them? Because each one has its own unique sound. Listen to this. A younger cow, maybe a calf, but it's just another sound. But again, it's got that soft tone to it that builds confidence. Here we go. The Bull Getter. Or if you want to get yet a different tone, the Bull Getter or the Mini Bull Getter, both of them have a textured soundboard to give you that soft, subtle, confidence type call.